IDERA. This is Xeikon's answer to the new challenges for the corrugated industry. Why? Because this is the perfect answer for shirt runs or personalized corrugated boards that needs to be produced. Why we are doing this? Because we believe this is the right answer for faster time to market, for more just-in-time production. And we from Xeikon offering here not only a printing press, we integrate this system into your existing workflow solution and add finishing equipment like laser die cutting system and conveyor belts to really have a integrated logistic chain. Our partners are therefore here to help you, our expert and consultants. We are happy to help you to get the next step in the digital future for the corrugated market.